let's talk about layer blending modes. So if I have an image with a solid white background and I want to insert it into a flyer, I will I click on normal. There's a drop down list, drop down menu. Then you will go to multiply. And that will remove all the white that's in the image. So this is good when you're doing a flyer for somebody and they send you the logo and it has a white box around it. And that looks nasty in my opinion. So you go to multiply if it's a white background. So I'm clicking Control and I to inverse. Now I have a solid black background. You go to screen. That will remove all the black in the image. Yeah, but the correct way to do it when you if you're a professional designer, then you know you need to save the logo in a certain format in order to have a transparent background. But a lot of people don't know that. All right, so let's go to this image of my sister Shonda for her maternity shoot. This is her and my niece Ava. I think there's Ava in there. So I hit Control and J to duplicate the layer. You have two layers. The first layer is on normal. So go to dissolve. And what these different options will do, it'll blend elements from two layers together. So it's on dissolve. Let's go to darken. Let's go to multiply. So multiply, like I said a few seconds ago, multiply will remove all the whites and the highlights from the first image and blend it in with the image below it. And you have different layer options. I mean different layer blend mode options. I guess I'm saying it correctly. But the ones I use the most is multiply. I use lighten. I use screen. So screen you could use if you want to like brighten up an image, bring out the highlights. I will duplicate a layer. Go to screen. It's on 100% now. As you can see, that's overexposed. So then I will go to opacity. And I will turn it down. Just to make the image pop a little bit more. I use overlay too sometimes to bring out the richness in the image. Bring out the colors a little bit more. But yeah, they got different blend mode options in here. And yeah, there's no right or wrong way to use these. There's no right or wrong way to use Photoshop. There is a right or wrong way to design. But as far as just playing around doing what you want to do, hey, have fun. But then when you step over into the area of professional designers, we are very critical. We critique a lot. It's just a part of the game. But yeah, email me if you have any questions. joeyrhilton@gmail.com. And my website is joeyhilton.com. Hopefully I've been helpful.